This is a tutorial on with a little help from my friends, this time as a piano accompanist. So you don't need to play the melody in the right hand. You're going to play a chord in the right hand, you sing on top of that, and you play the root note down low as a bass note. It's a real simple song. So I'm going to just show you the chords here. You try to keep the chord below the melody. So if your melody is here, I'm going to start my chord right there. So my first chord, the C chord, is going to be G, C, and E. What would you think? That's C, G, C, E. Then the next word is G, G, B, D. What would you think if I sang? And that's the D minor chord, F, A, and D. Sang out of tune. Would you stand up and walk? That's G7, F, G, B, D. Walk out on me. There's your C chord again, G, C, and E. So you can see I've pretty much kept my melody higher than the chord. That repeats. Lend me your ear, that's a C chord, and a G, ears, and I'll sing you a song. That's D minor, F, A, and D on the top. You a song, I'll try not to sing. That's G7, F, G, B, and D. Sing out of key. There's a C chord, G, C, and E. Oh, I get by. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. By with a little help. That's F chord, F, A, C. Help from my friends. There's a C chord, E, G, and C. And the reason I'm doing it there is because that's your melody note. I get by, B flat with a little help, F from my friends. Oh, gonna try with an F with a little help from my friends. And then you come to the second part. Do you need? Now that's the, actually I'm not going to go up that high. This, play the A minor like that. C, E, and A. Do you need anybody? So that's A minor is C, E, A. Buddy is D7, which is C, D, F sharp, and A. It's a C chord. I need somebody to. Actually, you could do it like this. I need. There's a C chord, G, C, E. Need somebody. B flat, F, B flat, D. Body to love. That's F, F, and C. Could it be A minor, anybody, D7? I want somebody to love. Pretty simple. So you sing on top of that, then all you have to do is add your root note down low as a bass note. So when I'm playing my C chord here, it's a C note down low. What would you think if I sang? Think there's a G chord, so I got a G there. D minor, I got a D there, and so on. So this is what it sounds like when you're all through. What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. I'll try not to sing out of key.